Hey queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some hot cocoa / hot chocolate. You'll need some dark cocoa powder, some Hershey's chocolate, some silicone mold, and some marshmallows. Of course, you can enjoy this with your family on New Year's Day. This was super inexpensive to do and it was so fun to do. And if you have kids, it will be even more fun for them. The first thing I'll be doing is to pull the Hershey's and then crack it up into smaller pieces to make the melting process easier.
Take it slow. I know you want this. I just hope you know if we get started, ain't no letting go. If you in it, you all in. That's just how it goes.
As you can see right here, my silicone mold, make sure it's clean guys. I already washed mine and dry it out with napkins. Now I'm going to just pour the hot chocolate in the molds and make sure you spread it all around the mold to the top. So, you know, you don't want any holes in it or anything, any space in it. So you want to spread it properly. And then you're going to put it in the refrigerator, the freezer, for 1 hour. Funny enough, mine froze before an hour, so I took it out before that. So it just depends on your freezer, and you can just monitor it and feel it to see when it's dry, when it hardened, sorry. Now it's time to unmold them and fill it up. So basically guys, all I did for this part is to heat a pot. I couldn't get to show you guys because I didn't film directly in the kitchen. So I heat a pot and then the edges of the hot chocolate, I just dip it in the pot just to melt it a little. And I did it with another one and then I just put them together and use my finger to twirl around it. So you know, it binds it together. But before I bind it together, I put the hot cocoa powder inside with the marshmallows and then I seal it. I didn't use like milk chocolate or anything inside because the outside is already fairly sweet, so the dark chocolate now would give it that balance it needs. And let me tell you, it was just perfect.
More time you wanna spend with
right here I was just doing the finishing touches, and guys, I was trying to get the circle silicone molds, but I couldn't find any in the stores where I live, so I used these. They were still okay, you still get the same effect and everything. No, this was a part that irked my nerves, so I was trying to get this video out for Christmas Day, but it didn't work out. However, when I went in the store, I was trying to get like red, green, and white gel to write on top or just to decorate, and let me tell you, nothing was there. Everything was sold out. So the only one I could get was orange, and of course I take it because I didn't have a choice and I knew I wanted to decorate it. So that's the little dilemma behind this part.
Trying to get in the middle, ain't where my penny on my dime on my nickel. So take a seat and make we talk for a little, baby.
So this is what it looks like in the end. I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned to see it in the milk. It's pretty much exciting. If you've reached this far in the video, you're a real one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bar, and share this video with your friends and family. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna drop my hot cocoa bomb in my teacup, and then I'm going to pour some hot milk over it, and stay tuned for the blast. Recording this take me back to my main channel when I made bath bombs. Now guys, look at this. Wow, boom, the pop-up. And like when everything's finished popping up, you just mix it around, and enjoy it. It was so good. It wasn't too sweet or anything. When like you buy the Swiss, what they call them? The Swiss, oh, the Swiss hot chocolate packets. That guys, it tastes like that unsweetened. So it's not too sweet, and you can sweeten it if you want, and you can just drink it just like it is, like I did with milk. That's all I did. I didn't add any sugar or anything. If you've reached this far in the video, thank you again. I appreciate the support, you guys. And until my next video, one love to my new subscribers. Welcome. I hope you stay on this journey.